Assalamu alaikum my all viewers, I hope you are all well and may Allah keep you well all. So today the recipe I am going to make is Eid special dessert, Oreo chocolate custard recipe to make your Eid day more chocolicious. So try this recipe to double your happiness on this blessed occasion of Eid. So let's make it. First of all, take a deep pot and then add 2 cups of milk in it and let it boil well and then keep stirring continuously. Now on the other hand, take a bowl and then add a cup of warm milk and then add chocolate custard powder and then mix it very well so that all the powder is mixed well and there are no lumps remains. So keep stirring continuously and dissolve all the powder in the milk. You can also strain this mixture at this point. As soon as the mixture is mixed well, so that pour all the prepared custard mixture into the boiling milk and then keep mixing continuously so that lumps do not form and keep stirring until it thickens. As soon as the custard starts to thicken, then add powdered sugar and then mix it well until all the sugar is dissolved. And then stir again and cook well again for about 2 to 3 minutes and then remove from heat and then keep it aside. Now transfer it into a clean and dry bowl and then keep it at a room temperature for about 20 to 30 minutes and then refrigerate it for about 30 minutes to cool down. Now on the other side, take a Ziploc bag and put the biscuits in it and grind them coarsely with the help of mortar and then transfer it into a bowl and keep it aside for use later. Now on the other hand, after 30 minutes when the custard mixture has cooled down, then beat it well with a beater for about 5 minutes or until all the mixture is well combined and then keep it aside. Now assemble it. You can also use any serving cups or glasses. First, put a layer of biscuit crumbs on the bottom of the glasses, spread it well and keep it about an inch thick and then tap it well and equalize. Now pour second layer of custard mixture over it, which is almost thick as you can see in the video. Fill it about a quarter cup, tap and set it well so that all the bubbles are gone and all the custard mixture is set evenly in it. At this point, refrigerate it again for about 20 to 30 minutes to firm up and set. Now on the other hand, put the cold whipping cream in another bowl and beat it well with the beater for about 5 minutes or until it is very stiff peaks and foamy. As soon as the creams become nicely foamy, then keep it aside and pour all the entire mixture in a piping bag. You can also use it with any nozzle or without nozzle and then set it aside. Now then take out all the refrigerated serving custard cups and decorate it with layers of whipping cream and then top it with biscuits in the end. You can also use any kind of fruits like strawberries and berries and also decorate it as you like. Then refrigerate it well for about 30 minutes before eating to chill well and serve immediately. So serve and enjoy! So guys, if you enjoy my recipe and enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz!